Hey everyone, welcome back. Did most of the Vita Mahjong options disappear, leaving you with the only option to play a level and everything else is gone? Here's the fix. The options disappeared bug is almost always caused by a stale or corrupted app session where the home screen didn't fully load all its components. First, force close the Vita Mahjong app completely from your recent apps and then wait for a few hours and reopen it. On a fresh launch, the full home screen loads from scratch and the missing option almost always reappears. If they're still gone after a fresh launch, open the App Store, then tap on your profile picture at the top right corner and then pull down to refresh and check if a Vita Mahjong update is available. This is a known post-update display bug that gets fixed in a newer build. Tap update immediately if one is showing. After updating, force close and reopen the app again. If the options are still missing, then you'll have to go to your settings app, then go back, go to general, go to iPhone storage and scroll to the list of apps and find Vita Mahjong. Tap on it and then tap Offload app. After offloading it, go to the App Store, search for the app and reinstall it fresh from the App Store to clear any corrupted home screen layout data. So all you've got to do is force close and reopen the app. Options usually return. Update the app and offload and reinstall if it's still missing. Subscribe.